In this short video, I'm going to do my best to help you figure out if partnering with me and my team at the Center for Functional Health is the best approach to reclaim your health, because it's our goal to help our clients live their absolute best life possible. My name is Dr. Michael Kaye, and this is my wife, Frances. I've been practicing chiropractic functional lifestyle healthcare since 1988. The goal at the Center for Functional Health is to arm you with the skill set to create a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. We believe in creating a treatment plan that is personalized for you. We believe in taking a team approach with you as the star player. At the Center for Functional Health, we help you reclaim your health and vitality, employing established protocols and lifestyle interventions combined with strategic lab testing and supplementation to help you feel your absolute best. You are not defined by your diagnosis. You are not a lab finding, and health is not the absence of disease. Health is living with vitality and energy. Conventional medicine focuses on acute presentations, and they do a fantastic job and are lifesavers. With functional health, we concentrate on health span, the ability to live longer with less disease, greater function, and vitality. We want to change the way you feel. We want to change the way you heal, and we want to change the way you look at the world. Your very own health philosophy is also critical because it will determine if you think that we're going to fix the problem for you, or if you're taking ownership and accountability and realize that it's you to be the one that's fixing the problem with our support. We're going to guide you on your health journey every step of the way, but ultimately, you have to walk the walk. You have to be responsible for implementing the necessary changes in between appointments. You see, nothing can fix your body better than it can fix itself. And we have published research that supports our protocols and methodologies that can help you with weight loss, brain fog, joint pain, gut, and immune issues. Although we are providing cutting-edge care, you have to first believe that your body has the capability of healing. Listen, your personal health philosophy determines if you reach for prescription medicines as the magic bullet, expect your health provider to fix you, or whether you support your body's innate healing powers. Your personal health philosophy is very critical in determining if we're a good fit for you, because we need our philosophies to align. We need to be going to the same destination. Our goal for you. So, the purpose for this video is to see if we are the right partner for your health journey and to determine whether our approach can address your specific health goals. Working with hundreds of patients since 1988, we know that we can't control the outcome, but we can control how we make people feel through the process. You will be heard, not herded in and out of the office. You'll feel listened to. You will feel accounted for. You will feel empathy towards you. There are many amazing things that you'll experience along the way, and we know we can make that happen when we work with the right patients. Another goal is to save you time and money by helping you make an informed decision regarding your health. We realize that this is a big investment for you, not necessarily financially, but it's an investment in strategy. You see, your health is your most important asset in your life, and you don't want to hand that over to just anybody. You want to hand that over to somebody that you trust. We take pride in working with our clients, but we also ensure that we're only working with the right people so that we're not wasting anyone's time, and certainly we're not interested in wasting anyone's money. Our promise. Regardless of whether you're a right fit or not at this time, I promise that your time today will be worth it for the following reasons. You'll get a much better sense of what your health options are. Most people don't even know what all their options are, so they're making uninformed decisions based on incomplete information. You'll also have deeper insights into how you can reclaim your health and how our team at the Center for Functional Health can support you through this process. We're not trying to create confusion. People who are confused don't take action. We want to give you the absolute clarity and transparency on what your next steps are. The outcome. Now, the outcome of this presentation will be a few things. For the right fit, we'll share the exact next steps so that you can set up a no-cost, no obligation, no pressure discovery consultation. On that discovery call, you're going to connect with a practitioner from our team who understands what you're going through. We'll share case studies and identify if you're the right fit. And then we'll partner on your health journey, if and only if this is the right next step for both you and our team. Please take the time to listen to these testimonials to learn the benefits of working with me. Both Jen and Kathy are very happy with their outcomes. We have more testimonials on the website for your review. Here are some people who are the right fit. Jack and Kathy. In April, it will be a year since we started our lifestyle change. We can't begin to thank you enough for showing us how to change our diet, which made a big difference in how we feel. We not only feel better, but we've lost some weight, which was an added benefit. Your constant interest and interaction played an important part in our success. We even discovered some new fruits and vegetables that we never even tried before. You see, sometimes a little change can produce a great benefit. One of the strong attributes of our program is constant support. And here's what Patricia had to say. You were concerned with every issue and all avenues were pursued. Your ability to work alongside and in conjunction with all parties involved is fantastic. All diagnostic studies were blended for an uphill road to recovery. You displayed such a caring way in your quick responses to my questions. Thank you for the times you dialed me at home just to check in on my status. These calls made me feel wonderful. Most people go to a doctor's appointment. I am fortunate to be able to say that I go to visit my friend who is a doctor. You have made me look forward to doing things that are most important to me. You see, many times the results comes from creating a great team and keeping an open mind. I want to share a little bit about our process. Many patients come to our practice and work with our team because they appreciate our authenticity and team approach. Our process has been developed over the course of several years working with hundreds of patients, and we constantly continue to improve. From health conferences to mastermind events, we continue to learn more and stay up to date with the latest information so we can best help our patients. No matter what stage you start working with our team, our process will always evolve to become more effective, and this is why. When we partner with people who are the right fit, we get outstanding results for them. One of the ways that we achieve successful outcomes is that we only work with people that we can actually help. Unlike some of the other health providers you may have previously partnered with, they may have promised you results even when you may not have been the right fit for their process. If you aren't the right fit, we will refer you somewhere else that may be more appropriate for your current situation. One of the secrets to our success is the holistic support you will receive to meet your bio-individual needs. When you join our program, you'll become part of our community of like-minded individuals who are on a similar journey as you. And this peer-to-peer support provides important accountability and encouragement as you start making lifestyle changes. Another thing that's different at the Center for Functional Health, compared to most conventional health practitioners, is that we identify the underlying physiological and emotional imbalances that lead to chronic disease, along with lifestyle and nutritional patterns that may be creating systemic issues like inflammation, toxicity, digestive disorders, and immune dysfunction, which may be impacting your life. We also take into account your environment from your home to where you live to where you work so we can understand how those factors impact your state of mind and health. As appropriate, we may run select lab tests to confirm imbalances and pinpoint select supplements that may be required to regain optimal health. Our process always begins with a discovery call. Conducted over the phone, we explore specific questions with you to ensure that you're the right fit for our programs and that you're going to be able to follow through because you have the right support, the right environment, and the right situation at this time in your life. To ensure your success throughout the program, we take a close look at your readiness to start right now, and that's always a decision you have to make for yourself. But if right now is not the right time, that's totally okay. So come prepared onto the complimentary discovery call, ready to say yes to live out your best life. Our foundational program starts with an initial consultation where we sit down and go over your in-depth intake form. The intake form helps me zero in on those areas that we need to improve and what lab testing may be required to assess your gut health, immune health, energy cycles, and nutrient levels. The cool thing about these tests is that they evaluate fundamental cellular function. Rather than looking at disease markers, which is typically the only thing what most conventional health practitioners look at. And because functional imbalances typically show up way before disease manifests itself, we can improve cellular health and thus improve overall health. After the thorough intake, examination, and functional lab testing, we meet again to determine the best program for you and your bio-individual needs. You understand exactly what your results signify, what caused them, and what changes you should make to optimize your health, whether it's changes to what you eat, how you exercise, or manage stress as an example. Our programs offer flex appointments to focus on lifestyle and nutrition because we want to review and further dial in your lifestyle changes, realizing that creating new habits takes time. These appointments also allow us to address any other issues we decide to work on together. Again, it's not always what's going on inside of you. Sometimes it's what's going on around you that could be part of the problem, so we can evaluate and work through some of those details. We're going to give you ongoing support with our HIPAA compliant software, and we have development workshops and webinars that we do for our clients. You also have a peer-to-peer community, and you also get direct lab pricing. These are some of the benefits of working with us, and here's the thing, we're constantly adding to and improving the program. The benefits. So what are the benefits of this process? Well, for the right individual or family, this program has tremendous benefits, from finally feeling heard and understood, reclaiming control of your health, getting to the root cause of your complaint, and getting clarity and answers to long-standing issues. Many of our patients are relieved when they finally find out that it's not, quote, all in their head, that there is something out of alignment and that they can actually do something about it. Unlike conventional practitioners, we use objective data points to craft a strategic game plan to address underlying imbalances and the root causes of your health issues. Rather than trying to influence symptoms, we investigate to see what's going on at the cellular level, so we don't have to shoot in the dark and try out a bunch of different treatments, all of which saves valuable time and money. As I mentioned before, it's not about just treating symptoms. We always want to go for the root cause and determine the physiological processes driving the problem right now, and then figure out how to correct it. So you might be asking yourself, am I the right fit? You see, we can't be the answer for everybody, and that's okay. Anyone who tells you that they can help everybody and that they have the answer for everybody, well, they're probably lying to you. We want to make sure that we only work with the right people because we want a win-win situation. We want to wake up every day feeling excited about who we're going to see. Because in order to help you, we have to be honest with you. We're not here to cut corners or tell you just what you want to hear. When you entrust us with your health, we're always going to present the best options for you and be honest with you. Now, there's no pressure to follow through our guidance, but we want you to make the best decisions based on the right information. This program will most likely require you to make substantial changes in your life. If you're not ready to take control of your health, this won't work for you, and that's okay. Stay with me until the end, and I'll share with you some resources that may help you now. This program may not be right for you if you're currently experiencing particular health challenges such as active cancer or going through chemotherapy, or maybe you have surgery scheduled, or just maybe the timing isn't quite right for you. We can't help everybody at every stage of their health journey, although that would be nice to do that. If we can't help you, we will do our best to refer you to the best person or program that can help you. So let's talk about your discovery call. If you're the right fit, here's the next step. If you're committed, if your personal health philosophy is on point and aligned with ours, if you're okay with us being honest with you, and you appreciate open and transparent communication, and you feel like, hey, this is a process that I need to investigate further, then we're happy to get on a no-cost, no-obligation discovery call with you. And that gives you more insight into what your options are. And I think that's very, very important for you. And there's typically two outcomes from this consultation. Either we have a win-win situation and we move forward together, or we decide at this point in time it doesn't make sense to partner together, in which case we will refer you to somebody else, or we can reevaluate a timeline where you do feel that it does make sense. Sometimes the timing just isn't quite right, and that's totally okay. By getting on this discovery call, you will be able to make an informed decision for yourself. And if it doesn't make sense, we'll let you know because, again, we want a win-win outcome for everyone involved. So if you are the right fit, hang tight for a second because I'm going to share instructions on how to proceed. So, the next steps. Click the button below this video to schedule a complimentary discovery call. This will take you less than a minute to do. Once you've reserved your appointment time, you will receive a short questionnaire so we can maximize our time together. That way we can review your basic information and we can really dive deep into your case. We will be calling you during your scheduled appointment time at the phone number that you indicated during your registration. We'll listen carefully to determine the most appropriate solution for you. Again, it could be us. Hopefully it is us because we love working with the right fit. And if it's not us, we can point you in the right direction. Here are 3 things that you can do better to position yourself to work with us at some point in the future. You can join our free 30 Ways in 30 Days health program. Just go to our website, thecenterforfunctionalhealth.com. This is a fantastic program that we've put together with the best tips around healthy living. It's all free. You get 1 tip every day. Start with 2 or 3 and add more when you're ready. If you do just half, you're going to get massive transformation in your life. You can also join our online community at the Center for Functional Health Facebook community and connect with our tribe. We share lots of great information there. You will become more familiar with us and our process and some cool things that we do for our communities. And lastly, consider attending future online or in-person workshops. Simply check out our upcoming events at our website, and if you sign up for our 30 Ways in 30 Days health series or our Facebook community, we will send you updates of upcoming events. If you don't feel like you're the right fit, or if it doesn't feel like this is the right timing, that's okay. If you're not comfortable yet, consider this. Is it important for you to get a second set of eyes on your case? This might be your 4th or 5th set of eyes on your case, but have you previously worked with someone who's seen hundreds of clients based on the rigorous process that I described? Are you looking for the root cause to what ails you? Because that's important here. Are you looking for the root cause or are you looking for symptom resolution? And it's okay if you're looking for symptom resolution. I don't think anyone should ever be in pain unnecessarily. But if you want to dig deeper or climb higher, then let's get to the root cause and find out what's going on. And does it make sense to have an objective party review your situation? If that makes sense to you, then please consider continuing and getting on a no-obligation discovery consult. So I hope this video gives you some insights. I hope it gives you some ideas about what we're about and helps you identify if you're the right fit or not. Let's connect. Click the link below, take the next step, and your future self will thank you. And lastly, think about this. What will your health and life be like in 1 year, 5 years, or even 10 years if you don't take the action steps to improve your health now? So let's set up a time to talk. Again, no cost, no obligation, no pressure ever. And we'll help you make an informed decision so that you can live your absolute best life. Once again, this is Dr. Michael Kaye, founder of the Center for Functional Health, and I thank you for watching this video. And I applaud you for taking the next step.